Hello and welcome to the video. You must be wondering where I am. Actually, this is the newsroom from where all news bulletins are presented, and today I am going to take you on this journey of a news bulletin and provide you with effective tips and techniques for presenting a news bulletin. But first of all, what is actually a news bulletin? A news bulletin is a brief yet impactful broadcast typically aired on radio or TV that summarizes recent developments. And these news bulletins are often presented on an hourly basis by news channels and radio stations, offering viewers and listeners with a quick overview of current events. And now let's get started, and I'm going to share with you effective tips and techniques for presenting this news bulletin. The first step to delivering a compelling news bulletin is thorough rehearsal. Practicing in front of a mirror with a friend or a family member can significantly enhance your confidence. This practice also helps you fine-tune the timing of your delivery, ensuring that you remain within the stipulated time while covering all the necessary information. The second step is mastering body language. Your body language can greatly influence how your news bulletin is perceived. Whether you are standing or sitting, always maintain an erect posture with your shoulders back and straight neck. Also, this posture not only conveys your confidence but also enhances your voice projection. It's okay to glance from your notes but avoid reading word from word, as it can make your delivery seem robotic. And the most important thing, it's good to maintain an eye contact with the camera and the audience, as it helps you build connection with the viewers. The next is the power of pausing. Incorporating pauses into your delivery is another crucial technique. When you pause for a few seconds, it gives the viewers to absorb the information and also gives your words a greater impact. This also provides you with a moment to regroup before you move on to the next segment. The next is preparedness. Being thoroughly prepared is essential for a smooth presentation. Read through your news bulletin at least 3 times before going live. Actually, this repetition will help you familiarize with the content and reducing the chances of stumbling over words or missing out some important information. The next is clarity of speech. Clear speech is vital when delivering a news bulletin. Avoid the temptation to rush through your sentences. Instead, maintain a comfortable, steady pace, ensuring that each word is clearly pronounced. This not only helps the audience to understand you better, but also gives your news bulletin a professional tone. The next is tone of voice. Your tone of voice actually sets the mood for the entire news bulletin. Generally, a neutral tone is considered to be the best for the news presentation, but don't be afraid and don't hesitate to adjust your tone to match the story. For example, you can use a hopeful tone for uplifting stories and a serious tone for tragic news. Actually, this variation in tone helps you convey the appropriate emotions and also keeping the audience engaged. The last one is facial expressions. Facial expressions should actually align with the content of your stories. For instance, when delivering sad or serious stories, it's important to maintain a solemn expression. Conversely, for positive stories, a slight smile can enhance the impact of your delivery. The key is to ensure that your expressions are appropriate and do not distract from the original message. Now students, I'm sure that you're well equipped with all the techniques for presenting a news bulletin effectively. Now it's your turn to implement these techniques and present a news bulletin effectively. We'll meet in another video with something interesting, something exciting for you. Till then, happy learning.